This week on the Austin Healey channel, the front shroud brackets get bent into place, the rocker panels get welded on, and the transmission gets the support it really needs. I got the front end back on. Well, I have it off the rotisserie and up on jack stands. I needed to put the shroud on so I could figure out where this bracket goes. I have both sides bent up, and now I'm going to draw a line here, and then it folds over in front. But I had to get the shroud placed exactly where I want it before I make this bend. And I'm doing this because I have to do it before it goes to paint. At least till before the frame goes to paint. There's like a million little projects like this that have to be done before it goes to paint. So, working on that. So I don't know how the original Healey was up above this point. This part goes under the shroud here. But to make this corner, it was a lot easier to cut it than to try to bend it. When I tried to bend it, it just turned into an S. And I think that should be a nice sharp corner to line up with the shroud. So I've cut it now. Now this will get cut off to match the lip that goes under there. And you'll have a place to drill through and put nuts and bolts. One of the pieces that didn't come with the new frame is this. It's the transmission mount. The back of the transmission gets bolted in through these holes. As you can see, I've cleaned up the edges inside and out so I can start welding it in place. Let's go put it on. I've been welding this piece right here, the transmission support, onto the frame, and I have to say that welding thick steel is so much easier than welding thin steel. Thin steel, the margin of error is really fine. Thick steel, you just throw a bunch of power at it and melt the metal. It's so much easier. I just wanted to share that with you. I just welded this on. It's a funny little piece. So I thought I would make it this week's. Say what? So what is it? It's just a funny little triangle that adds a lot of support to a corner. In engineering speak, we call it a gusset. I don't know if the Americans call it anything else. I don't know if the British call it anything else. I do know the parts catalog calls it a gusset. It's an engineering thing. And this week's, say what?
If you want to come along on the ride as we complete this project, click the subscribe button. If you want YouTube to tell you every time there's a new video, click the alarm bell. Thanks for watching, and your support is very much appreciated.